Arg, ahoy, matey.
This is supposed to be the Margarita video.
Oh. What's up, guys? With National Margarita Day around the corner, today seemed like a good day to show y'all how to make the perfect margarita. But first, let's dive into the history of the national cocktail of Texas. There are many theories that try to explain the origin of the margarita. The most likely one I've heard comes from David Wondrich. He suggests that the drink comes from an old cocktail made with tequila, lime juice, orange liqueur, and topped with soda water, called the tequila daisy. It turns out margarita means daisy in Spanish, and because of that, I feel like it's a pretty good explanation regardless of who invented its current form. Alright, let's make this thing. We're going to start with half an ounce of agave nectar. I feel like pairing the spirit with the sweetener really helps to boost the agave flavor in this cocktail. Alright, next we're going to add 1 ounce of lime juice. Now you really want to be using fresh lime juice. It really adds the boost of lime flavor you need. Here we go. Next, we're going to add half an ounce of Grand Marnier. Now, Grand Marnier is an orange liqueur. It's made from cognac and bitter orange peel, and it comes from France. I think it really adds a nice, balanced flavor to this cocktail. It tends to be on the drier side compared to a triple sec. And I think that really helps out with the margarita. It doesn't overpower the drink with sweetness. Finally, we're going to add 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila. Now, I really prefer Reposado Tequila in this cocktail. It adds a nice, soft touch of aged tequila. Reposado Tequila, by definition, is a tequila that's aged from anywhere from 6 months to 1 year. And I think that really helps to balance the cocktail, balance the spirit, and make a really nice drink. I'm using Espolón Reposado Tequila. Alright, now before we add our ice, let's salt our rim. Now salting a rim is actually really easy. All you need is a lime wedge and your glass. And all you gotta do is really rub the edge along the glass. You want it to get nice and juicy on the side, so the salt will stick to it. And then all you have to do is run the edge in a plate to salt and pick up all the salt on that line. Now I think salting a margarita is actually kind of a necessity. The salt really boosts flavor and it really brings out everything you need in this cocktail. Alright, it's time to shake this thing. We're going to add ice to our big tin. You don't want to short yourself here. And we're going to load it up. Alright, now it's time to strain our cocktail into a glass, and be sure to add fresh ice. If you use old ice, you might end up with a bit of a watered down cocktail. It'll melt too quickly. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to garnish this with a dehydrated orange wedge. Put that right on the side. And there you have it. Perfect margarita. Alright, let's try this thing. I love it. Grand Marnier is probably my favorite ingredient in this cocktail. It adds the nice orange flavor without overpowering the drink. And the Espolón is really smooth. I would definitely recommend that if you try and make this. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. You can expect some more cocktail how-to videos, along with all sorts of other how-to videos. I really enjoy cooking, barbecuing, making cocktails. So keep an eye out for that in the future, and see y'all next time. And David.